death toll has risen tonight after a massive tornado touched down in the densely populated suburb of Oklahoma City. The deadly twister was ranked an EF4, the second most powerful in the category of enhanced Fujita scale. Wind speeds reached a chilling 200 miles per hour. Some experts are even saying it may have been an EF5 based on the damage it caused. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, an EF4 tornado can cause devastating damage and is capable of leveling well-constructed homes and blowing away those with weak foundations. Cars can be thrown, making them large missiles. So far, at least 51 people have lost their lives, 20 of those children. 2 elementary schools took a direct hit from the tornado that was said to be 2 miles wide at times. It stayed grounded for nearly an hour, wreaking havoc in every direction. The path of the tornado stretched for nearly 20 miles. Local hospitals say they've treated at least 120 adults and 50 children. Rescue efforts will continue through the night. President Obama has declared the area a major disaster. Travel has become difficult, and a White House statement said that FEMA, or the Federal Emergency Management Agency, has deployed a team to assist state operations, and additional personnel are ready to be dispatched as necessary. About 38,000 people are without power tonight, and Interstate 35 was shut down due to debris on the roadway. No estimate yet on the damages, but similar tornadoes have cost into the billions of dollars.
And of course, many people across the country have friends or family in the path of these storms, including me. I'm from Tulsa, and my parents still live there. They are fine tonight. My cousin, Emily Underwood, lives just north of Tulsa and took some amazing photos from her house this afternoon. You can see the sheer size of the storm cell headed toward her house in Collinsville, Oklahoma. Emily and her family watched from the patio of their house as the skies turned dark and the air started to twist off in the distance. She said quarter-size hail was falling at one point, and then when the storms passed, it was back to sunny skies. On Facebook, people are showing their support for the tornado victims in Oklahoma. We took this video off my Facebook page. You can see many of my friends still in Oklahoma are posting their condolences for those affected by the massive tornadoes. They are also posting and sharing status updates on people who are looking for their loved ones, and also pictures like these. We also found this video on Facebook. You can see it was taken from the inside of someone's car as that gigantic twister barrels toward them. The winds whip and twist, and you can see the power that these tornadoes hold, and again, the damage that they caused today. Confirmed 51 people dead. The death toll is expected to rise from that 51. 20 of those are children from those elementary schools that were completely leveled. Make sure to keep it here on KMIR 6 News and online at KMIR6.com as we bring you the very latest on this deadly tornado.